Well, maybe one complaint, I can't find parking, man. What up, YouTube fam? Back at it again down at Seaport, about to have a meeting of all things real estate again. Man, I love being out here, especially when it's nice out. Another gorgeous day in the city. No complaints, life is good. Well, maybe one complaint, I can't find parking, man. Driving around for like 15 minutes trying to find somewhere to park. But I just want to take you guys out to the pier just so you can see it. Absolutely gorgeous. But check it out. That doesn't even do it justice. I'm gonna walk further down. Shots like that. Man, it's just you in the water. You get so much clarity right now. It's nice and tranquil. Serene. I might just come down here just to walk and talk to you guys. This is nice. Man, seeing things like this really puts life into perspective. Like, how lucky am I that I just get to walk into the city and experience something like this. And not even like it's anything special or anything, but it's like a little, you know, this is my backyard, you know what I mean? Right down the street. And I don't think that we give appreciation enough for stuff like this, so I'm very humbled and grateful, and it makes me feel like a little ant. Good morning, YouTube fam. Just getting ready for the 9 to 5 right now. Running a little behind. I am gonna go to work, and then tonight I'm going into Boston to do some more real estate related things, and I'm so super excited. Already went to the gym, already got my workout in. I'm just excited to be back in the game. Probably won't be back till late, but I get to go down to the Seaport and see all the beautiful sights of the city, which I really love. So I'll check in with you guys later. On the way to the 9 to 5 right now. As you can see, I did not have time to do my hair, but I brought my gel and my comb with me so I can do it in the bathroom at work. I was just listening to a podcast, and I wanted to share this thought because a lot of times I have a thought I want to share on the vlog that I don't necessarily remember, or remembered at different times that I want to bring up. But I was listening to the MFCEO project, as I do a lot, and I just want to say that repetition is so vital. You can listen to something 20 times and each time pick out something different that you didn't learn, or something like clicks, or you have like an aha moment. If you go into any challenge, anything you're doing, period, just think of it as easy. That was just like so enlightening to me, because if you really do think something's easy, it is. Like, it just takes that like burden off of your shoulders and takes the stress level so far down. It's so true. But it's true because everything is easy. When you're a baby, right? Walking is hard until you learn how to do it, and then it's easy. When you first start learning a sport, it's hard. No master was ever just naturally a master. They were a beginner at some point. I mean, some people are naturally better than others at the start. For something to become easy, they had to keep doing it until it became easy, because it was hard at first. Like, if you look at LeBron James, sure, basketball probably came a little more natural to him. He had to do that, you know, dribble, shoot, pass, work on the fundamentals until it became easy. So easy that it was second nature. And that's anything. And I've been feeling a little overwhelmed with all the projects I got going on, and finding time to work out and eating right and you know, just living my best life. But I think I'm gonna try and just keep telling myself that it's easy. It's easy. Like, it's just like when I say it out loud, it really like makes me believe that it is, because it is easy. Your problem is not the problem. Your problem is your attitude towards the problem. Say that again. Most of the times, your problem is not the problem. It's your attitude towards the problem. If you go in thinking something's hard, it's gonna be hard. If you go in thinking something's easy, it's gonna be easy. You'll develop it that much faster. You become that much better. It's easy. What up, Tube fam? Just getting home from work right now. It is Tuesday. It is not only my father's birthday, happy birthday, Dad, but also Lily's dad's birthday. How weird is it that they have the same birthday, exactly 10 years apart? Because my parents had me late in life, so my parents are ancient. Not really, love you guys. But yeah, so I already talked to my dad, wished him a happy birthday today. Excuse me, I shot my father-in-law, my soon-to-be father-in-law, a text wishing him a happy birthday. I'm gonna see him tonight. Got him a little treat, got him some peanut M&Ms, which are his fave. Lily picked him up a gift. And I think we're gonna do cake tonight, I'm not sure. But happy birthday to my two dads, I love you both. Thank you for everything that you guys do for me and that you've done for me. I really appreciate it. And even though we're men and we don't say it a lot, don't say it enough, but I love you guys. You are appreciated. You both work so hard, physical, labor-intensive jobs, and you guys don't get enough credit for what you did and what you do. So, thank you. Wait, give me a smooch.
Turn on the camera, decides to give me a smooch?
No, I decided to give you a smooch and then I decided to film it.
Okay.
What up, fam? Right now I'm about to edit, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. I've been really hustling lately. Not only am I working my 9 to 5, but I got a lot of other projects going on right now. And I've been going into town a lot, which I'm not complaining about. The sights, as you guys saw, are absolutely stunning. I'm up in high rises on the Seaport, looking down at the city, looking at the water views, as you guys saw. Just amazing, amazing. So fortunate, so blessed, and just love the opportunities I'm getting. Keep crushing it, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, bro? Click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next one.